effective strategies for delivering your lead magnet. How to come up with the best plan to get your lead magnet to the right audience and the most amount of people. So that's really the first clue. That is to understand what audience it is that you need to sell to. Are they likely to be on LinkedIn over Facebook or Instagram over TikTok? Wherever your audience hangs out, that's where you need to promote it most on socials. You need to ensure that your website and landing page are optimized to make sure that customers can find you organically. There's a lot of different tools out there that can help you with optimization. If you already have an email marketing list, you can send the offer out to your email list and ask them to share it with anybody that they might find is useful. You could also look into doing some paid advertising. It is a proven strategy for getting more warm leads to your lead magnet because you can be very specific with which audiences want to see your lead magnet. Another brilliant way is to work with other partnerships and collaborations in your field. Perhaps they've got a lead magnet that they want to share on a slightly different topic to yours, but your audiences are aligned. You could work together. The most important thing you can do is to measure your success. You need to constantly be tracking and checking what people are doing with your lead magnet. If you'd like to know more, I've got a whole series on lead magnets. Please give my channel a subscribe and a like, and I'll be around for more questions in the comments. Thank you.